Hi, my name is Archana K. Here I am going to explain what my topic is waistband using decorative things. Hmm. Introduction. The thermocol or waistbands are using decorative things. Waistbands means if we brought new fridge, TV, washing machine and all, then that new pack contain white bands. Those bands are used to make some attractive items. Thermocol or waistbands are using as decorative things. Waistbands means if you brought new fridge, TV, washing machine and all, then that new pack contain white band. Those white bands are used to make some attractive items. Nowadays, the thermocol are using in different types like crafting, designing to keep in house uh, showcase and all. Using the thermocol, we can make different types of attractive items like playing toys, the waistbands or thermocol gives outlook and it is type of useful thing. The thermocol band is using for make children happy. Means using band create toys. Children get happy while seeing that special toys because it's different from other toys. So they want to play with that and it's also used in marriages like small bubbles form. These are the decorative things, main homemade things. Thank you.